Hey, Loc family. Houston Loc Fairy back with another video. I just want to touch on how to properly retwist children's locks. I have a few tips for you guys. I have a few pointers, a few words of advice. So one thing that you want to make sure of is that the child is comfortable. Every little girl, every little boy should be comfortable in your shop, in your chair, in your suite, wherever you are, and make them feel safe. That is very important. Make sure that they're safe. Before you start doing anything in their head, make sure that they're comfortable. Make sure that they're happy, that they have something to eat, that they have something to drink, maybe a snack, even a piece of candy. Anything that you need to do to make them feel happy and safe with you. Then after that, then let's get started on their hair. Make sure you're gentle. Don't be rough. Don't be pulling hard. Don't pull and twist overly on their hair, on their scalp. If they say ouch, if they lean in the opposite direction, take that as a note that you're being a little too rough with them. Make sure that you're not digging the comb into their scalp. Do it gently, do it lightly. Use techniques to separate the hair where you don't have to pull so hard. I wish you guys the best, and I will see you all soon.